Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we're going to talk about what to eat for iftar. So we start off by getting our mangoes and fruits pretty much. So we get some bananas and an apple and strawberries and grapes. So for the next we want to prepare main course. So it's good to have some proteins and some good delicious foods. So we're going to have pakoras and shorba, which is a chicken with some potatoes. You need your carbs, you need your protein. So we're gonna put in some shorba with some rice. Of course, you need your carbs, and it's don't overeat your food, but have some pakoras. Your waist won't get too big, but you start your day with some dates. So always eat your date first, and that's the final meal. So that's the water. Always drink your water as well. And that's what you eat for iftar. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe.